In this video, we'll show you how to use Walmart Plus gas discount. So being Walmart Plus member allows you to save on gas and offers you protection for your tires at no additional cost. So what are the prices on fuel? Walmart Plus members save 10 cents per gallon or 13,000 stations nationwide, including Exxon Mobil, Walmart, and Murphy stations. But there are some exceptions. For example, the saving is only 5 cents in Alabama. So how it works: for Walmart and Sam's Club fuel stations, you need to open your Walmart app, you need to select services at the bottom of the page, go to member prices on fuel, select pay and pump, scan the QR code on the pump screen, select your payment method in Walmart Pay, select your fuel grade, and start pumping. If you pay in store Walmart fuel station, you need to go to the Walmart app, select member prices on fuel, select pay inside. If not in store mode, select pay with cash instead. Let the associate scan your barcode, pay for your fuel, pump your gas. If you are at Murphy USA fuel stations, members will receive a discount at participating Murphy fuel stations. The Walmart Plus member will enter a 6-digit discount ID from their app at the pump instead of using Walmart Pay to scan the QR code. So you need to open the Walmart app, select services at the bottom of the screen, select member prices on fuel, find at Murphy station, use discount ID at the bottom of the screen. From the Murphy pump, select Walmart Plus, enter the discount ID from the app using the keypad at the pump, select rate and begin fueling. See a fuel station attendant for the receipt. You will not get a digital receipt. See the savings and view the receipt. You can also pay inside. From the Walmart app, you need to select services at the bottom of the screen, select member prices on fuel, find at Murphy station, use discount ID at the bottom of the screen, give the cashier the discount ID from your Walmart app, let them know if pump number and how much fuel you want. There is also instruction for Exxon and Mobil fuel stations. You can read this instruction right here. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.